Hello guys, here in Silver mode and we came about the full stack web development, and in today's full stack web development, this video your whole concept will be clear about it. So see the video start to it, and please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also never miss any future later videos about the full stack web development. So without thinking anything, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So we are building a icon bar in HTML like I have told you in my introduction. So let's build it, and this is our first paragraph in the HTML, okay? And only in the HTML we are only using the HTML using the icon bar. So let's build the icon bar. Okay, so let's start. To build the icon bar, so first of all you have one text editor. You will be use any text editor which you want. If you are using Sublime, it is also a better. If you are using Visual Studio Code, it is also a better. But I prefer you to use the Visual Studio Code because it's a very useful, and for if you do not have downloaded the Visual Studio Code, so let me tell you how you can download it. First of all, search here Google and search here Visual Studio Code download. Then click on the first link, and then if you are on Mac, download on Mac, and if you are on Linux, download on Linux. If you are on Windows, or download on Windows. I am on Windows and I have already downloaded, so I do not download it at a time. So let me close this file, and then I am opening my Visual Studio Code, and then I am creating a new window. Then when I created a new window, this type of one interface has came. So I am making the file of the HTML. To make the file of HTML, you only click on the file, and then click on the new file. The shortcut key is Control Alt Windows N, Control Alt and then Windows, then N. Then okay, new file. Then this type of an output has been came. So here you write your file name, okay, which your file has been named. I'm giving the name to my file is icon bar.html. So why I am writing .html? I am writing .html because this is the extension of HTML file. If you do not write .html, so your HTML file will be not built. So here you write anything. I write here icon bar. You write here anything what you will want. Okay. But I write here icon bar. But in the end you write .html. Make sure that. Okay. Now enter press from here. So this type of an output has been came. So where you this type of an output has been came. So where you save this file. I am saving this file on my documents, and then in here the .html is not coming. Okay, it is not a very big problem. Okay, ignore it. Now I am saving file on my documents, and then I create a file. Click onto the create file. This have one button of the create file. Create it. So to here you can see our file has been made, and there's one logo has been came of the HTML icon bar.html. You can see it. Now where you save my file, where you save your file. I save my file in my documents, and here is my file by the name of icon bar. Here you can see it. Here is my file. So icon bar.html. Here you can see it. Now my browser has been opened. So let me minimize it. Now here first of all we write the starting code of the HTML. Let me tell you which type of starting code. To write a starting code of the HTML, you first of all write here doc type, then HTML, then head. In the head we write first of all link. We define our link of our icons, how our icon will become here. So we first of all define a link. First of all I write like here link, then I write like rel. In the rel you write nothing. In the rel you write nothing, and then href. In the href you define like https, then ratio, then // then cdn, then js. Okay, when your work is done till here, you write like dot, then cloud flare, and then .com, cloudflare.com, then /, then ajax, then / then lips, and then / then font / awesome, then / 4.7.0. then when you write till here like then / css / font / awesome. Okay, for you I am only writing the link. Okay, for you only, then perfect. So then when you write here link, then you only define here title, and I am giving the title to my page is icon bar. Save it and run it. So here you can see the icon bar has been the title has became about the icon bar. Like that you can do it. Now Now we write a main code of the HTML. First of all, we define here body. Then, first of all, here we define a one div. Okay, in the div we write here a class name, and my class name is icon slash bar. Then a class I am giving the active, and then here I am writing href. Then I am defining I, and the I we write here class. So it will be fa slash home, and then like this. So now it not give you the error. Then come here, then a, then href, then hashtag, then define I here again, then give the class fa slash envelope, then copy the thing and then paste, and then here you write first of all globe, and then here you write your trash. And then when you save it and run it, so your icon has been came here, you can see it. First of all the home icon, then email, then global, and then trash. Then you define your style, and in the style you write the, now we define some CSS code, we define some styling in our icons and that all things. So let me style it. First of all we write icon bar, which we write it here you can see it. Now here we give the width of it 100%, we give the max width, and then we define a background color. You give the any background color which you will want. I am giving the background color, which will be dark gray. I am not writing the color name, I am writing the color code. Then I am giving the overflow will be hidden. Then I am defining the icon bar a. Then I am giving the float should be left, and then I give the width I am giving 20%. Okay, 20% is good or not? Okay, let me see. 15%. Save it and run it. No, I am giving the 20% is good. Then display block. Then when you save it and run it, so display block is also good. Now text align should be center, means like all thing will become in the center of the page. Here you can see it. It is coming in the center. Perfect. Now I give the padding 12 pixels should be 0, and then save it and run it. So let me see my padding. Okay, the padding is also good. Or you if you want to increase your padding, so you will be also increase it. Then I am give the transition 0.3 seconds CC, and then when I save it and run it, so the hover, okay, the hover is okay, the hover it is hovering. Okay, it is good. Now the color, the text color I am giving the white, and the font size I am making it from 36 pixel. Save it and run it. So okay, the font size is also good. Now it is looking like this. Now here we give the hover, a hover. Background color I am giving the 000, means that we add a hover color. So then here we define dot active background color hashtag 04AA6, sorry 60. Save it and run it. So okay, now when we hovering it, it is becoming in the black color, or here you can see it in the green color. Here you can see it as a hovering. Here you can see it like that. It is hovering like that and very beautifully. Here you can see it. So here you can see we successfully created it. Here you can see icon bar in the HTML, in the pure HTML. So here you can see it is hovering, and we built it. So you can see it in today's video. We built the icon bar in the HTML, and this is our first video of the project in this channel. Okay, so please tell me with the HTML tutorials you want out this type of project. So tell me in the comment section below. So but I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to all the notification bell also, never miss any future later videos about the HTML and this type of project. So now I'm enjoying next class and next very amazing data videos. So for today, goodbye.